Hello everybody. Today we're going to make a quick video in preparation for your exam. So I've called this exam preparation, and it is going to be on lesson 5 and 6 for grade 3. The schedule for today is very simple. We need to focus on those key expressions from lesson 5 and 6. And then we're going to go through the listening exercises again. So we are going to have the lesson 5, dialogues 1 to 3, and lesson 6, dialogues 1 to 3. And you're going to answer a bunch of questions from the quiz. If you are comfortable and you understand how to use all the key expressions, you can skip and go ahead in the video. If you want to listen again at the examples of the key expressions, you can just continue watching. So the first one is, can you recommend? So recommend is 추천. So for example, can you recommend a book? Can you recommend a strong Overwatch character? Can you recommend a restaurant to go to for tteokbokki? So if you know of a good place or a good thing, it is nice to share that information if I don't know anything. So if you can tell me what a good movie, you can recommend a good movie or recommend a good book, something like that. The next one, we've done this one as well. I am looking forward to. So I think it's easiest to just translate in another way in English. So I am excited to go camping this weekend. I want to go camping this weekend. So then you can also say I'm looking forward to. It means you're both excited and you want to. So I am looking forward to winter and with the snow. I am looking forward to playing soccer. So maybe I'm going to play soccer tonight. I am looking forward to it. And I am looking forward to seeing my aunt this weekend. So you are excited about something that will happen in the future. Okay. How would you like? I'm not going to read this one, but you can read it. My examples. How would you like your eggs cooked? So do you want scrambled eggs or boiled eggs? You can choose. How would you like to eat your rice? With a spoon or a fork? How would you like your hair done? So different kinds of options. So if I ask you, how would you like it done? You can choose which way, how it should be done. Okay. If I were you, I would. So remember, this is giving advice. If I were you, I would exercise more. If I were you, I would eat more healthy food. If I were you, I would buy a stronger phone case. So we did these last week. I hope you still remember them. Next, do you mind if I ... So remember, it's like asking, may I? May I go to the bathroom or restroom? Do you mind if I go to the restroom? So mind, is it okay? Does it make you happy or angry? Do you mind? Does it make you angry or does it make you happy? Next one, do you mind if I borrow your computer? And do you mind if I go home early tomorrow? So of course not, go home early. Or of course, do not go home early. Okay. These are the key expressions. I hope they make sense. You can go through them a few more times, but slower, to help you understand. Now we are going to do the listening exercise. So the reason why we're doing an online video is so that you can do this slower. So for example, you can try change the speed. I put all of my lessons on YouTube, and you can make it smaller or slower, or you can watch the video on EBS, up to you. And from there, you also have the quiz maker. So this is going to be, you might recognize some of the questions, some questions will be new, and then the deal is you need to get a certain mark. Nina and Sam and I will decide, and if you get that mark, you can finish and have free time. If not, we need you to keep practicing. So let's start with Lesson 5, Dialogue 1.
Hello, Ms. Saul.
Hi, Minjun. Long time no see. What brings you here?
I have to write a book report. Can you recommend a good novel to read?
How about a mystery? There's a new Ken Color book, 22nd Street.
Oh, I've heard of him. Can you show me the book?
It's in the new arrivals area. It's really popular among teens in Great Britain.
Thank you for your help. Can I check it out?
Sure. You can borrow new books for 7 days.
Okay.
Now let's move on to Lesson 5, Dialogue 2.
Hey, Minjun. What are you doing?
I'm reading a novel for a book report.
Let me see. Oh, is this a new book by Ken Color?
Yeah, I borrowed it this morning. Do you know Ken Color?
Of course. I'm a big fan of his. I've read all of his mystery books.
I think he's a great writer. I can't stop reading this book.
You know what? His novel, 4 Eyes, has been made into a movie.
Yeah, I saw the movie poster. It looks interesting.
It'll come out next Thursday. I'm looking forward to seeing it.
Maybe we can see the movie together.
And the last one, Lesson 5, Dialogue 3.
Good morning, Jiho.
Good morning.
Take a seat, please. How would you like your hair done?
Well, I'm taking my pictures for the yearbook, so I want to look cool.
When do you take the pictures?
This Friday at Dream and Joy Park.
Sounds good. Do you have a particular style in mind?
No. Can you recommend one for me?
Look at this. How about this style? It'll look good on you.
Wow, I like it. I can't wait to see how I'll look in the pictures.
I'm sure you'll look cool.
Okay, so now we're halfway. So that was Lesson 5. Let's do Lesson 6, Dialogue 1.
Jimin, have you decided where to volunteer?
Not yet. Do you know a good place to volunteer?
If I were you, I'd go to the community center.
The community center? What can I do there?
There's a smartphone class for senior citizens, and they're looking for volunteers.
That sounds interesting, but I've never taught anyone.
Don't worry. All you need to do is help the teacher there.
Okay, thanks for your advice.
Okay, now let's do Lesson 6, Dialogue 2.
Thanks for letting me volunteer here, Ms. Yoon.
It's my pleasure, Jimin. I'm glad you decided to help.
Well, what should I do?
Today's lesson is about taking photos with smartphones. Why don't you help the slow learners?
Okay, is there anything I should know?
Yes, please be patient and kind to the learners.
I'll keep that in mind. By the way, do you mind if I use your charger? My battery is a little low.
Of course not. Go right ahead.
And lastly, Lesson 6, Dialogue 3.
Wow, it feels great to be on this ship, Dad.
I feel the same, Sora. Here are our seats, 20A and 20B.
Yeah. Do you mind if I take the window seat? I like to see the view outside.
No problem.
By the way, I want to eat something, like noodles or sandwiches.
If I were you, I wouldn't eat anything like that.
Why is that?
They may make you seasick.
Oh, I see. Then I'll have some ice cream.
That's not a good idea either. Let's eat after we arrive.
So remember, you may listen to these as many times as you like. Good luck for the quiz and good luck for the exam. Bye bye.